Hi everyone and welcome again to this short video series. In today's video, I'm going to talk about uh, 2019 exam question number 11. This question is from the topic of algebra, and algebra is one of the easy marks, so please don't miss out on these kind of questions. And this one specifically came from the basics of algebra. Algebra itself is broken down between special formula and the basics. So basics are the easiest one. So let's go to this. So the questions here in this kind of question types are split into three types of questions. Examiner can either ask you to simplify an equation, make something a subject, or everything else, which is these kind of questions. So this question was from asking you to make a subject um, in a given equation. Okay, so let's open the question. So this is the question asking you which of the following correctly expresses y as the subject of the formula. This is the equation. So let's take it out. So here I have the question and let's try to solve this. Okay. So let me write this equation again. 3x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. So I have to make y as the subject, right? So let's move everything on the other side one by one. Let's take this one there. So the equation would be 3x minus 4y is equal to 1. Move this 3x, which makes it 4y is equal to 1 minus 3x. Because there is a negative here, let's multiply both sides with minus 1, which would make it 4y is equal to minus 1 plus 3x. Change the order, it just looks better with a positive equation starting with positive. So 3x minus 1, and then divide both sides by 4, which would make it y is equal to 3x minus 1 divided by 4. And looking at the answers, this is option C.